Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about dilations in geometry. A dilation in geometry is taking a shape and scaling it. The resulting image is similar to the pre-image, so that means same shape but different size. Dilating by a scale factor less than 1 is called a reduction and will make the shape smaller. Here's an example. If we dilate by a scale factor of 1/2, we take each number and multiply it by 1/2. You'll see that the resulting image is smaller than the original by 1/2. Dilating by a scale factor greater than 1 is called an enlargement and makes the shape bigger. Here's an example of that. Dilating by a scale factor of 3, we multiply each coordinate by 3 and it becomes 3 times as large as the original. Hope this helps clarify dilations without a graph. Please subscribe to my math channel for more videos. Also, check out the Transformations playlist. Thanks so much for watching.